Today, we are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. First, we need a tub and a lid. Now, let's put the sticker on top of the lid. Today, we are working with the letter P. This is an uppercase P. The next one is the lowercase p. Now let's put the sticker on the tub. Once again, it has an uppercase P and a lowercase p. Now we can put the sticker on the bottom of the top lid, not the top of the lid. It has an uppercase P and a lowercase p. Now let's find the things that go in the tub. The first thing we are looking for is an uppercase P. There it is. Next is the lowercase p. Next, let's find some things to put in the tub, like a pig. That starts with the letter P. Next, we will find a pan. Next, let's find the paint. That has lots of colors. Next is a piece of pizza. Next is a tiny little pumpkin. And next is a pickle. All right, let's put these things in the tub. I hope they fit. First, we're going to put an uppercase P. And now a lowercase p. And a pig. A pickle. A pan. A pumpkin. Pizza. And paint. We can put the lid on this one. It's all done. Letter P. After the letter P is Q. See you next time.